The sun's surface blazes at about 5,500 degrees C, around 10,000 degrees C, or 5,800 K, hot enough to vaporize anything we know. But believe it or not, there are things way hotter, both in nature and from human ingenuity. Here are 5 mind-blowing examples that surpass the sun's surface temperature, ranked roughly from just hotter to insanely extreme. A typical lightning strike reaches up to 30,000 degrees C. That's about 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. For a split second, the air around the bolt turns into plasma hotter than the sun's photosphere. Imagine nature casually out-heating our star during a thunderstorm. Some ultra-hot Jupiter planets orbit so close to their stars that their dayside atmospheres hit over 4,000–5,000 K, and one record breaker pushes past 7,700 degrees C. Molecules literally break apart in the heat, hotter than the sun's surface. These alien worlds are literally cooking themselves. In labs, scientists trap vapor in tiny bubbles and collapse them with sound waves, creating a flash of light from temperatures exceeding 20,000 degrees C, hotter than the sun's surface. It's like turning sound into a mini-star inside a flask. In fusion reactors, or the heart of an atomic explosion, temperatures soar to hundreds of millions of degrees Celsius, dozens to hundreds of times hotter than the sun's core, let alone its surface. Humans have recreated stellar fusion right here on Earth. The absolute record. Scientists at CERN's Large Hadron Collider smash heavy ions to create quark-gluon plasma at up to 5 to 10 trillion degrees Celsius, trillions of times hotter than the sun's surface, recreating conditions microseconds after the Big Bang. It's the hottest thing humans have ever made. These extremes show how wild heat gets, from nature's fury to humanity's particle-smashing feats. The sun's surface? Impressive, but definitely not the hottest game in town. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane science facts, and drop in the comments. What's the craziest hot thing you know of? See you in the next one.